Alright, Jack and Ryan. Main cap right there. Looks like it just lost a rod bolt. You see the light in there? That's all metal. That's the cap. So it looks like it just lost a rod bolt. Probably just a massive amount of neglect and oil changes. I mean, the inside of this motor's filthy, but this head is just horrendous. Just took the bottom of the, well, I'm not going to flip the head over right now, but took the head out. But all of that, every one of those pieces, as they break off, they just go there and scratch the bearings. So my guess is it wiped out that bearing like having sand in the oil, and then once it got loose, just driving it, just beat it apart. But that's pretty much it. Just destroyed the entire motor crank. Slapped the block here. Looks like it fractured the block. It's aluminum cast block, so they break like glass. Yeah, mostly like glass being cast. But anyhow, your new motor's right here. Well, I got this thing tore down and get a couple of the dowel pins out of it that we need, and this will go off to the recycler. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just a wiped out bearing, and then that's the rod and nut. The threads look good. Maybe backed off or something. But at any rate, I don't know if the egg or the chicken came first on this thing. But it wasn't meant to survive with it being this filthy and dirty. Normal oil changes will take care of that. Most of the time these things come apart and they look pretty clean. And we'll get another update later.